How to share someone's story on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can share someone's story on Instagram. So in order to begin with this procedure, update your application and then log in into your Instagram account. So after you're logged into your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. So basically, there are different methods of sharing someone's story on Instagram. The step number one is that if somebody has already mentioned you on the story, then it'll be easy for you to share the story. In my case, particular contact has already mentioned me in my story, so in order to add it to your story, if you are already mentioned, you'll be able to find an option as add to your story. Click on this option and this particular story will be added or shared on your Instagram story as well. So all you have to do is tap on the your story button and then the story will be mentioned. After that, if you want to share somebody else's story, let's say for this particular contact, you'll need to click on this arrow icon and make sure to share it, and you'll need to select contact to whom you actually want to share. Now let's go with this particular user and then send it, and this particular story has been shared. Apart from that, if you want to share somebody else's story, now let's say that if somebody has a private account and he or she has not followed a particular contact that you wish to share the story to, so open up the story, and then what you can do is if you tap on this arrow icon over here, you can see that this is a private account. Only the followers will be able to see the story. So in this case, what you can do is you can take a screenshot. So take a screenshot. After that, go to your DMs, for example, and let's go with this one, and this is how you can share your story. Apart from that, you can also add it to your post or your stories. Click on the picture, select the screenshot picture. Here you'll be able to share the story. So in this way, you can share someone's story on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.